Hello, my name is Ronald van Prooijen. I'm 70 years old, I'm still washing boats because it's easy to do with Execoat Ceramic Plus. I'm already 45 years a specialist in detailing of yachts. I try to find the best product there is in the world. I always use the best product there is in the world, but I found Execoat Ceramic Plus. I already tried it out now for 2-3 years and it's really incredible. You can make your boat brand new in a short time. It will take already for years before your boat gets dirty and dull again, and it's a perfect protection. Step 1. Clean and wash. Step 2. Polish to a high gloss. Step 3. Cleaning and degreasing with alcohol or any other alcohol 99%. Step 4. Manual application of the ceramic coating. Step 5. Rubbing with a fiber cloth. Step 6. Cure. Inside is the best, outside is a possibility, without direct sunlight and without rain, of course. It will cost you 10 times more than put a ceramic coating on your boat. It shines more for many years, and comparing to the other, is this the best solution? Execoat Ceramic Plus can be removed by sanding and by polishing with a polishing compound. Apply the coating in a well-ventilated area. A faint ammonia smell is detectable. You must use rubber gloves and safety glasses. You can find this in the safety instructions. Execoat Ceramic Plus yacht is PFAS free. The cure coating is glass-like and does not harm the environment. You only need a few drops to coat a square meter.